This is the final video to solve PostgreSQL login issues and connection denied errors. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve PostgreSQL login issues and connection denied errors, and I'm going to share them with you. The first method addresses incorrect authentication configurations. This often happens when the pg-bar.conf file has the wrong settings for host, database, user, or authentication method, preventing legitimate connections. By correctly defining these parameters, we signal to PostgreSQL that the incoming connection is valid and authorized, thereby resolving the denial. The second approach involves checking the PostgreSQL server's network accessibility. Errors can occur if the server isn't listening on the expected IP address or port, or if a firewall is blocking the connection. Ensuring the server is configured to listen on the correct network interfaces and that firewall rules permit traffic to the PostgreSQL port directly resolves this blocking issue by opening the necessary communication channel. The third method focuses on verifying user credentials and privileges. A denied connection can simply be due to a mistyped password or a user account that lacks the necessary permissions to connect to the specified database. Re-entering the correct password and confirming user roles within PostgreSQL resolves the access problem by ensuring authentication succeeds and authorization is granted. The fourth method involves examining server logs for specific error messages. PostgreSQL logs provide detailed insights into why a connection was refused, often pointing to resource exhaustion, configuration conflicts, or security policy violations. Analyzing these logs helps pinpoint the exact cause, allowing for a targeted fix that addresses the underlying system problem preventing connection.